Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. I have quite a few foil items to release for you guys, along with 4 collections. Everyone has been releasing so much really cute art, and I am super excited to show you all of the new stuff. Let's go ahead and start with this week's foil bundle, and this is so pretty. So last week was that gold with a very similar texture to it, and this week is a really pretty like hot pink color. It's like a little on the magenta side, but I feel like mostly in real life it reads hot pink, but it is so pretty. So this is in the twinkle format. Let's go through the bougie format first. Oh, it's so nice. So this is on special pricing for the first 48 hours. So you do get 2 of this sheet here that has these 6 full boxes along with the regular cut headers on the side. Again, you get 2 of those. You do get 2 of the bougie box sheets, the icons, and the scripts. This would look so pretty with Target Run, I think. And then the bottom washi, the fancy headers, the deco, and then the date numbers. I think this would look good with so many kits. It would even look really cool with the Cyber Monday mystery or anything that like would look good with hot pink. I'm super excited. I think I'm going to use it with Target Run though. I think that'd be super cool. So it does come in the bougie option, and then there is also the mini option, which has the 2 full box and header sheets, the icons and scripts, and then again, the fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, and the bottom washi. Super excited about this one. I think it's the closest to a true hot pink that we've ever received. I always order foil and hope that it's like a true hot pink, and it never comes like quite there, but I think that's the closest we've ever been. Let's go into the foil items for this week. I have been using a new font in a lot of my branding and my listings on the website, and I have been obsessed with it. So I wanted to order some basics in the font for the shop for foil, and I also have some magical Disney things coming in this font as well. I think I might release them next week, I'm not sure, but there is a kicker here. So this is the only sheet that I ordered rose gold in. For some reason when I was ordering these, I forgot to order rose gold, so I am going to list them without rose gold for now, but we'll add rose gold whenever it comes in. I didn't wait though, because I don't think I'm going to get it probably until like the end of March, beginning of April, which is quite a long time. And I will be using these in like Plan With Me, so I didn't want to wait. But if you want to wait for rose gold to be available, they will still be available whenever rose gold comes in. So let's go through these items. The first one here I did sneak on Instagram, and these are just super minimalistic date covers that are foiled on the matte paper. So you could use these in inserts that maybe don't have the dates, the like days of the week on them. You can use them in bullet journals. I'm going to be using them in my cloud. Let me go ahead and show you guys how I have been using them, so you can see them there. I just think it's a really nice like clean look, and it's so pretty. So these will be available, and this one does have all 5 foils. So you have gold, silver, rose, hollow, and sparkly hollow, and each sheet has 2 sets of them. They are a little bit shorter in height than a normal date cover that's in like our kits, but I think it looks really nice. It will cover up the days in the Aura Stelle cloud, and it's so pretty. So love those. Going to be using those every single week. Then the next thing to go along with those are matching date dots. So this is just a second font option for you guys that will match perfectly with these new date covers. So you do have the gold, the silver, the hollow, sparkly hollow, black, and then white. And each sheet has 4 months worth of numbers 1 through 31. So again, these ones and the rest of them do not have rose gold, along with the Disney magical ones. I ordered them a while ago. I don't know why I didn't order rose gold. I think I was like sleepy when I placed the order. But like I said, I will be adding rose gold later. So there is that. And then there is weekend banners, and I sized these. I'll probably use them in a Plan With Me soon. They're 15 millimeters high, like a 15 millimeter strip. So you could totally put these on a 15mm strip like this and then trim, like if you did bows or something, or you could put it, let's say if you did this with the bows and you wanted to put this on the bottom washi and then just trim whatever you have or just leave it blank. That's kind of what I went for, or you could totally just put it on top like you would any other weekend banner. But I love these, and again in this font, I just think it's like really modern and chic. So I have kind of like a scripty font and then kind of more of a, what is this, like serif font. So love these. So you have gold, silver, hollow, and then sparkly hollow. And I just love the way this font looks in sparkly hollow. I don't know what it is. Something about it is beautiful. So those are the weekend banners, and you do get 6 on a sheet. And then last but not least is a little Scribble Prints Co. Like labels, and these fit perfectly on little things. I'll actually go ahead and show you guys right now because I think I have some little things right here from my kit from last week. So I will just give you a little example. These do come in gold, silver, hollow, and sparkly hollow. And then this is the selection if you want to pause it. It basically has Scribble Prints Co. new releases, Happy Meal, and then on the bottom there is SPC mystery payment, SPC mystery delivery, Scribble Prints Co. special event, and Scribble Prints Co. YouTube binge. So those are super cute. And I'll show you guys what these look like. And this is kind of a little bit of a preview to the idea that I had for the Disney scripts that I'm coming out with. They'll be coming out next week. I'm really excited. They were like highly requested for probably over a year now. So really excited to be able to do them, especially with this new font. So you can just put them perfectly on a little thing. So they are cut in a square, which I think helps line them up perfectly. Let me see my camera in focus. There you go. So they fit perfectly in there. And that's how I formatted all of the magical ones that'll be coming out. But whenever I release those, I will show you another example. So like I said, they are cut in a square. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. They're cut in a square. So you can line them perfectly on our little things. They're like the perfect size. I'm like obsessed. Wait till you guys see the magical Disney ones because they're so pretty. So again, those will be coming to the shop. Super cute. Okay, so I don't need that anymore. Let's go into the non-foil items for this week. Like I said, I do have 4 kits because there's so much good art that came out. And this art actually came out a while ago. But it was so pretty. And I thought for spring, like we got a lot of spring options here. Loving it. So I'll go ahead and show you guys. All of these kits do come in ultimate and mini, but I'm just going to show you the mini for this one, and then the other ones are kind of the same format, so you guys will see. So this is the full box page. I love these colors. I love orange and yellow mixed with purple. I just think it's so pretty, like this peachy color and then the like yellowy green color. I love it so much. And then you have the extra box page. You have the deco. The green is so pretty with the purple. The little things, the pattern little things, the bottom washi, and then the extra full boxes here. So you have the alternate skin tone option in there in the mini and the ultimate kit. So that is the ultimate kit for Bloom. I don't think I said the name before, but let's go ahead into the mini kit. So the mini kit does also have the same freebie. You have the full box page, the deco, the glitter headers, the mini kit page, bottom washi, and then again the same freebie, and that is Bloom. I'll go ahead and show you guys the add-on options. There is a 15mm strip add-on as well as a label sampler add-on. Then there is Luxe Spring, which is so cute. I'm probably going to use this in May. For me, it screams May. But I think it's just generally like a spring summer collection, but also anytime. So you do have the full boxes here. This girl is exclusive to our shop. I love her so much. And I love all of the elements and scenes in this. I think it's so pretty. And this box is just a vibe. I just think all of this art is so well done and so cute. I love this closet scene. It's probably one of my favorite scenes. And then look at these patterns. So pretty. And then the little coffee machine, the YSL bag. I'm just obsessed. And these colors, I think this would look super pretty with silver or a mixed metal moment gold. If you wanted to do hollow, sparkly hollow, or if you wanted to, and I love these. So pretty. Oh yeah, and that bottom washi is so cool. It took me a while, but I think it looked neat. And then also there is a full box freebie in both the mini kit and ultimate of just another full box in 2 different skin tones. So that is Spring Luxe. I think it's so pretty. Again, could go with so many different foils. Also does come in a mini kit. Let me go ahead and show you guys the add-on options. So you have the 15mm strip, which is a gorgeous ombre. You have the label sampler as well as the fashion option, which is super cute, especially the one with the gray hair. It's adorable. Let's move into Peachy. Peachy also does come in a mini kit. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the ultimate kit. This one has the clear with black script freebie. I don't know if I mentioned yet in this video, all of these releases go live Wednesday at noon Eastern, and we do unlimited stock for the first 48 hours. Love this kit. I love a monochromatic. Is that like monochromatic still when it's just like one color and not just black and white? I think so. So like one kind of tone, which is like peachy pinks throughout a whole kit. I think it looks so pretty, especially like silver or gold mixed metal moment. That would look beautiful with this, or just like peachy keen. If you guys have that one, I think that would look really pretty with that too. This one I did do a tall box there, kind of like I do with Mystery, but I love this scene, and it's in the background of some of these, but you don't really see it fully, so I thought it'd be cool to do that. And again, like this color story is so pretty with the just kind of like one peachy tone throughout, but it's like a peachy pink, a nude, and then kind of like a peachy apricot, maybe, I don't know. Glitter headers, half boxes, solid labels, pattern labels, bottom washi, super cute. And again, both the mini and ultimate kit do come with the clear script freebie. There is some add-on options available for this as well. You have the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then fashion options. These girls are so cute. So love that. And last but not least is I Do, and this kit is gorgeous. It also comes in a mini kit. Whenever Jess told me she was doing a wedding kit, I was so bummed because I was like, who the heck am I going to use this for? And I loved Jess Lovey-Dovey. Oh, she posted the funniest thing that was like, my cousin's hairdresser's sister's going to get married and I'm going to, that's literally, I was like, who can I use this for? And then I was like, I'm just going to use it to watch like fairy tale weddings. But then Jessica, J. Crew Plans, she told me, she's like, use it for Vicky's wedding. And I'm like, duh, because I'm going to help Vicky eventually plan her wedding. And I'm excited. So I'm going to save this for a couple of years, but it's so beautiful and it's so good. But I think with this box, if you're watching wedding shows or an anniversary and you're just reminiscing of your wedding, you could use it as well. Or going to a wedding or whatever. And it's beautiful. You just want to use it. I told Kirsten, I was like, you should use this for your anniversary because these are like her colors for her wedding. And it kind of has like the same feel with like the trees wrapped in the lights. I love it. So I just can't with this. It just makes me too excited. So you have the full boxes here. I love the box with the wedding dress, and I think it's so pretty. I love the green in it. I loved it with the mix with the pink and the like muted maroon. I love these two fashion options. I love these candles. I love the scene, the trees. It's all a vibe. These are the extra 2 boxes here. So you kind of have like maybe a preparing box. So maybe you want to use this for like, you know, wedding planning with your invitations. And then you have just some presents and some drinks. The deco page, these colors are so pretty, the glitter headers, the patterned boxes and icons and such, labels, pattern labels, bottom washies, super pretty. And again, you do have the 2 extra full boxes in both the mini and the ultimate. So this is just kind of like a groom, I guess, box. And then this one here is just kind of like, it could be like a Zoom wedding. And then you have just a little drink. And then I stole the background and the popcorn from Making History and I like recolored this. This is from the Oval Office, which is kind of funny. But I do that a lot, you know, sometimes you just go through art and you just pick some things up that you can recolor and add them in. And I think it looks cute because it gives you kind of a homey vibe. Love it with the popcorn. So I thought that was cute. And I was like, maybe I won't even go to Vicky's wedding because I'm going to be like, no, I want to watch it on Zoom so I can use that box. So love that. It's called I Do. Let me go ahead and show you guys the add-on options. So you do have the 15mm strip. You do also have the label sampler. There is also couple 1, which is super, super cute. And then couple 2, which I did like an alternative kind of looking. You got like the gray hair and the pink hair. I thought that was adorable. So lots of options there as well. I know you guys will get creative with Frankensteining these up. And then also just a regular like fashion box, which this girl is so dang pretty. Love her so much. So that's everything for this week. I hope that you guys like all of the new releases. I was super pumped that you guys seem to really love this month's mystery kit. That video went live on Friday. And yeah, so I think that's everything. And I'll probably be back on Wednesday with some kind of video for you guys. Maybe a play with me, maybe a haul. I don't know yet. If you guys have any videos that you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, everything will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. There's lots of stuff, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.